Hello, my name is Habib Mahri. So today I'm going to demonstrate the rock paper scissors game that I have built using Arduino Uno. So as we know, in Arduino Uno there are 14 digital pin and 3 ground pin GND, which we can use for connecting push button. So there is player one and player two, two players over there. So player one is in the right side and player two is the left side. So I have chosen white for rock, black for paper, and red for scissor. Same goes for that two rock, paper, and scissor for red. So let's start it. And this green button is for restart the game again. And the red LED and blue LED, red LED define the player one is winner, and blue LED define the player two is winner. So let's start the game. So okay, so I choose player one for rock and player two. I didn't choose anything for player two. We're waiting for player two's response, but it's not responding yet. So after 5 seconds, let's check. Okay, so player two is not responding. Okay, so 5 seconds is completed. Player two didn't respond in time, so player one wins, and red button, a red light is a red light is we can see over here. So this is for player one. So restart the game again. So I choose rock for player one, and for player two is paper. So rock and paper, we know paper will win. So player two wins over here, and we know, we can see that blue LED over here is on. So this is how we can define our winners. Now let's start it again. I have chosen scissor for player one and paper for player two, and player one wins. So this is how this code is working. Now let's talk about, I have added this breadboard here over here to connect the ground, and also we can see we have two register which is 220 kilo ohm to help the light to be lightened. So there's the code over here. I have defined all the pins 2, 3, 4 for player 1, digital pin 5, 6 for player 2, restart button over here, and LED pins for 9, digital pin 9 and 10. I have chosen a global variable for player 1 and player 2 choice. We have defined a function over here to internal pull-ups for rock, paper, scissors, player 1. There's the pin mode over here, and also to turn off the lights. So this is the function, or this is the loop when the game is active, I mean 1. So how it will work, this is how. So it's the choice rock, paper, scissors for player 1. I have defined it for loop and for the condition for player 1 choice. And this is also the player 2 will be connected. If player 2 didn't respond in 5 seconds, the player 1 will win. This is for the conditions over here. We have reset button, which I have given in the low. All the functions are written over here. Thank you.